Hello guys, today in this video we will review Beats Flex. Beat Flex all day wireless earbuds. You should purchase this product or not, and what are the major problems why you should not purchase this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we will talk about some specifications of this brand. So this brand is approx like 18 years from now, and the brand is selling different kinds of, you can say, like product related to accessories of mobile related, and you can say like headphones and earbuds and all. Okay, the costing of the earbuds are, you can say, like very high, and the product is also, you can say, like very good quality product they are selling right now. Okay, but if we talk about like Beats Flex, is also a product of the product of this brand, and you can see the product comes with lots of features. The first feature, you can see like connectivity, the class 1 Bluetooth with Apple W1 chip. Okay, so this kind of Bluetooth is very amazing. It can connect with any kind of mobiles, iPhones very easily. Okay, and you can also use this kind of Bluetooth device for, you can say, like extra range, or you can say like it will provide you extended range. Okay, the range is, you will get like a very good range. Okay, and we talk about like the, you can say, like in this you can say like earbud, you will get a good backup of power. You can say like up to 12 hours of, you can say, like power, and it will give you like approx 1.5 hours of playback in with a charge of 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, and in the box you will get like a earbud and a type C charger connector and quick start guide and warranty card. So the basic thing I want to tell you, like you will not get any kind of charger, you will get only, you can say, like charger connector. Okay, so if we talk about you should purchase this product or not, yes, you can make a purchase, because this is a very good brand and this is a very amazing product. Okay, and the weight of the product, you can see over here, only like 18 grams, and or you can say like 19 grams. Okay, and magnetic earbuds with autoplay, pause, and you can say like there are lots of features available, so you can make a purchase without any doubt. And it will also provide you, you can say, like amazing, you can say like you can say like amazing sound quality also, because the brand is very amazing. You can see this is a 3D look of this product, and each and everything is looking good. You can make a purchase, and if you have any experience with this product, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.